life icon, guys! It's a drop down!
I'm gonna go to Oscar. This is me how fast I run. In place. This is how I run in place.
Then what's the giveaway? Whoever has the most research points.
Hello!
Galaxy is this. Galaxy suitcases is very good item. Something that a full galaxy is one sunset item.
Yellow, look beside you. The other way.
Bro, what kind of egg is that, bro?
I'm a space invader.
Yeah, someone scared you, it wasn't me.
Hey, can you buy me a blue bag? Can you buy me a blue bag?
I just got karma because now I can't play anything.
You buy me a blue bag? Can you buy me a blue bag?
Why do you think how much your room think? Bring your room next time. I'm playing a
Guys, who wants to go to Ob Map with me?
Yep.
To play baseball. Okay, throw this at me, I'll hit it. I want a money gun, please. Okay. Can I have a money? Okay, I'll just. Can I have a money gun? I really wanted a money gun. Let's play with this. Let's play with these. Look at eggs. To where?
Oh, what's up? I want my money gun. Okay, I'll let them go first. Now come back. He's gonna hit it. He hit it. You think that's funny? Well, if you thought that was funny, then you're correct. You're right. It is very
which is
funny.
so giant and so funny. I need you to buy me a grapple after this. Okay.
Don't. That's. Alright, I'm out.
I gave you that a thing.
I don't know why it's that.
Why you got a sticky gun in there? Is this what?
Hey,
This what happens with the stick?
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep talking so you'll see.
I do.
This is what happens with the sticky dynamite
And Tommy,
and a sled.
money talks.
Okay, join my lobby.
Bro, someone go to sewer with me. Someone go to sewer.
Wanna go to sewer?
Don't go to sewers. You wanna go to sewers with me?
I'm going to the office.
Yeah.
Nobody come with me because I'm really good. I just want to do it by myself.
We're doing the same thing. We're doing the same thing, buddy. Yeah.
Bro, can you please go to sewers? I'm not gonna steal. I'm just asking. Then can you come with me? I'm saying, they want to go to school with me though. Because you can. I want.